back, dudes, chill with Guy here, and today I'm doing the useless web. Take me to the useless website. So, Daniel Nelson, which is Daniel Gaming, or Daniel Plays Games, he has so many accounts, I don't know which one, but I'm just going to say Daniel Gaming. He told me to do a video on the useless web. So I thought, it's a pretty good idea, so here I am doing it. So if you like this video, please be sure to like this video, and if you haven't already, please be sure to hit that subscribe button. Let's get on with whatever it's going to take us with all the stuff. Please. Mulling with nothing here. Please. Oh. Okay, so were these two sausages and let's add some sauce? Don't know. Could be. I don't know. Anyway, so that's useless. Just teaching you how to cook food, probably. Next, please do. Yes, no, bye. Oh yeah. What's going on? Is this some sort of puzzle? It's a puzzle. You basically just have to click and all this just pops up. I don't know what's this for. What's this all about? Anyway, next one. Please take me. I'm a ninja. Wait, what? What was that? Something like that just popped up there. Yeah, there. Oh wait. I'm a ninja. Sewing dog, right. There it is, guys. Yeah, there we are. Found it. Right, then next, please. What's going to be next? It's saying, okay, it's a ninja kicking a potato. Like chopping it into, I think, Ninja Flex it's called. I'll link the useless web. Finding pointer, please hold still. Holding pointer still. It's pointing right there. There. Oh! Imagine if I got it like there. Like there. Oh, really bang on her. Why is his eyes red? One more, guys. The exact same picture. Let's move on. Please. What's this? Oh no. Oh. What's that? Here. It's a potato. I think. Not sure. Next. What's next? Man and a woman kissing. Okay, get that rid of. Okay, next one. There we go. Like family collection. Like. Okay, I'm not. Okay, it doesn't do anything. Why won't we let me go off page? Thank you. Blank page, this is. Nothing's here. Nothing's here. Okay, next one. The connection once. Okay, it's connected. But why aren't you working? Oh, the useless web. Let's type that in. Why is it stuck? working, guys. Ah, there we go. Please take me. Okay, this one, hold on. You have to click it for it to change colour. Yeah, you do. It's click real fast. Okay, now it's loading me. I don't know what else I'm about. Useless web is pretty much weird. Very weird. Please. So flat, oh my god. You just click on it. You just click on it. So okay, you off. Oh my. Let me just back on these. Okay. I'll be back on the useless web in a second, guys. Useless web. Please. This is something. Is it just a coin? 1 dime. 10 cents. Just 10 cents? It's true. Hold on, guys. It says it's true. Look, it's true right in that corner. Why is it saying it's true? No idea. Also, Jailbreak might be having an update today. Made a video on that earlier. Just thought I'd add my training. Anyway, back on big screen. In 3, 2, 1. It'll be this time, eh? Ooh, it's a snowman. If only if it was still Christmas. Okay, no thank you. Excuse. Just did not sing that. Once. What? Okay, it's just waving something around. I want the bees one. The bees one looks funny. This one's closed, look. Patience is a virtue, whatever that says. I think it's never actually going to load in. I think this is the actual web. Okay. So this will basically be loading forever. Next. What's next? This is fake. More fake. More scams. Pixel fighting. Who's gonna win? Go on, green. It looks like brown's winning. Brown's taking up most of space. Oh my god. Oh, brown's winning. Green's making the way through. Brown's winning, and I think brown's won. Yeah, goodbye. I don't know what this is all about though, but brown's definitely won, to be honest, I think. Oh, wow. The end of reason. Oh my gosh, this is hurting my eyes. Just looking at this one hurts my eyes. Please stop. Endofreason.com. Oh my gosh, I'm just going to get rid of that because it is hurting my eyes. It just hurts. What's this? On the panel. It's just a foot on. Stop adding. There is nothing here. Okay, to that page. Oh my gosh, I'm just gonna click allow, always allow Zombo.com. Actually, I think let's just see. Zombo.com. Hold on, let's just do it with new channel. Look, I'll even do it. Look. Zombo.com. Let's see what it comes up with. let's see. Yeah, it's a thing. Next. This website is so useless. No wonder it's called the useless web. Next. Just a pause. And then what's this? Let me size you. Is there someone behind these or what? Let's just move. Move. Get out of my way. I am trying to find what lies beneath you, if anything. No, nothing lies beneath you. Nothing at all. Nothing but it just makes some appear. You're basically moving nothing. Please take me to a different page. 1 million lols. Excuse me. I'm gonna type that in shorts. You need to upgrade your Flash player, bypassing that detection if you wish. Fake, just like lost connection one. I want, please. Ooh, hey, well. Ooh, it's another door. What's behind that one? Another door. What's behind this one? Another door. What's behind this door? Another. Anyone want to come party? Is there anything? No? Hi, shut the door on you. I hate your stupid doors. No one's behind you. I'm shutting the door. I'm shutting the door. Do you understand? Ta-ta. That was weird. Next, please. Is it white? Is it white? Well, to be correct, I don't see any other different colours. So, my opinion, yes. It's a YouTube video. Oh my gosh. YouTube video. This is from Weird Tunnel Snakes Rule. I don't know. Leave me alone. Leave me alone, you stupid thing. Oh, doggies on my. Oh my god, dogs. I'm just gonna leave it there. I'm just gonna leave it there now. So if you enjoyed today's video, please be sure to drop a like, and if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel. Also, huge shout out to Crew Looks. He's lost about 4 subscribers. So here, and I would also like to give a shout out to Homie Cat Whitey. There he is. There we go, Homie Cat Whitey. So yeah. Hope you enjoyed this video, and peace out!